Hello everyone!
Hello!
It's good to see you.
Today we're going to talk about numbers.
This is the most basic part of a language and the most important part.
Yeah, and then you can learn how to say it and how to write it.
And about the hand gestures as well.
So let's count from 1 to 10.
Are you ready?
I'm ready! So 1 is yi. Yi is just one stroke. It's very self-explanatory.
And the gesture is nothing special. It's just one finger.
Yeah, and then 2 is er.
R.
So you just add one more stroke after the character yi.
And one more finger.
3 is san.
San.
Adding one more stroke after the character 2.
And to make it look nice, the bottom one should be the longest, and the middle one should be the shortest, and the top one is like in between of the two.
And then for the fingers, you just add one more finger.
Right.
Or you can do this. And then for 4, it's si.
Si.
From now on, it's more complicated than just adding strokes.
But the gesture is still very simple. It's just adding fingers like this.
So 5 is wu.
Wu.
It's a bit tricky to pronounce it because it's the third tone. You have to go down and then go up. So it's wu. Yeah.
Right. And then, but the gesture is very simple. It's just how everybody does it. Wu.
Yeah. And then 6 is liu.
Liu.
It's very interesting because people also use that as slang. If you say liu, 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 that means awesome.
Yeah. Liu, liu, liu. And also, did you notice how this character is written in Chinese? And the gesture is like this. Some people say that it's because if you put it like this way, that imitates the bottom dots in the character.
That's interesting. Yeah. I didn't know that before.
Yeah. Same. 7 is qi.
Qi. The gesture is a bit weird.
Yeah. It actually reminds me of this. Can you do this?
No.
Try. It's entertaining.
Oh, so stupid.
Oh, good! Yay!
I barely can do this.
It's fine, you're fine. And then 8 is ba.
Ba. Let me guess. I think it's this way because the character is downwards.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Ba. Ha. Yeah.
I'm not here to be a human.
No, but T is like this.
Yeah. Before we goes on to 9, I think we should talk about 10 first, and you will know why.
10 is 10.
10. It's a feast, and it means adding all your fingers together to make 10.
Yeah, because this is 10, and then 10 minus 1 is 9. But in order to distinguish it from 1, we will bend our index finger, and this becomes the gesture of 9 in Chinese, which is
9.
9.
Yeah.
That's 9.
A bit of math here.
Yeah, but once you get used to it, you will see that it's actually very convenient because you can just make 1 to 10 with one hand. Wow, like this.
So let's count from 1 to 10.
Okay. Oh wait, I think we should do selfie gestures.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get it?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Next time we'll teach you how to count from 1 to 100.
So
see you next time.
See you.
You're okay.
See you.
Oh, you're okay.
See you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.